Negroholism or Negroholic. Basically, to me, when I thought of that, that's in reference to those of us who still think that we are Negroes or black. We're obsessed with that. Even though if we really analyze it, we know it's destructive, just like alcoholism. An alcoholic essentially doesn't really know that she or he is destroying themselves by drinking an excess of alcohol. Or an alcoholic is one who knows that it's destroying them, but doesn't really care. Perhaps because they feel guilt or shame. It's a form of self-medication. Many counselors, psychologists will tell you. And so the Negroholic, to me, was someone who's still obsessing over some guilt or shame about being a Negro or black. And they engage in self-destructive activities.